Before we start this video, I just want to say thank you to all the people who have commented on my videos and have supported me along the way ever since I started my channel earlier this year. I wouldn't have been able to get this far if it weren't for some of my phenomenal supporters and subscribers, such as Coding Fire, the Dev Ninja, Code Block, MFS, Tech Hack and Tricks, Fitz the Dragon, Sudus Coder, Coding Walla, and so many more. And I'm sorry if I didn't include everyone, the list was too long. But do realize that everyone is recognized for their support for my channel, even if they weren't mentioned in the list. And I genuinely appreciate the tremendous support that I have received from you guys. You guys are the best, so that's why I have decided to put together this special video for you all to watch as a token of appreciation. Also, if you don't already know how to enter the giveaway, make sure to watch the video until the end, and at the end I'll explain to you how the giveaway will work. And also, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you enjoy what I do, it would really mean a lot to me. I highly recommend that you watch this video until the end because I worked really hard on it. Anyways, other than that, let's get started with the video. And this is the end of the presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So to enter the giveaway, you will need to do 4 things. I want you to subscribe, leave a like on the video, comment down below saying that you're subscribed, and also join my Discord server, which I'll also have linked in the description below if you don't already know where it is. So how the giveaway works is that one of my friends helped me set up some giveaway bots that will pick a random member to be the winner. So that's how the giveaway will work. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. That is all you have to do, and you are officially in the giveaway. Only one person out of all the contestants will win. So I wish you all the best of luck, and thank you all so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and thank you once again for 100 subs. And stay tuned for my next video coming up soon.